job. Chris, where are all my team boys at?
He's dead!
Ah! Friendly fire, you suck! You want to do an interview while I point my gun at you to do it?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
I make it rain on them hoes.
You gonna put that in your mouth?
Maybe later.
Yeah, careful, you get stuck to it. Not that I wouldn't know though.
No, of course not.
This is over. Light that area up again. On the one side here.
Reloading.
I got your car. Now, how are we gonna know who it is? Watch your left, watch your left, watch your left. There's a guy on the left side. See ours? Whoa. We got movement at this side of the van here.
Yo, get back in the van. Get in the fucking van!
We have candy in here! There's another guy going around left.
Get in the van! Get in the van! Get in the van! I'm getting it! Get in the van! For fuck's sake!
Woo! Yeah, this van's a rocking to him coming knocking.
Can we actually rock it?
We need someone to film this. This is so fucking awesome.
Oh no, stop!
Woo!
We're in the van!
What did I tell you? The van's the best. John, you want one?
Shut the door.
Whoa, one sec. Ready?
This guy's way back better. She can't put on ready first on him. Alright, ready? Oh, they ducked
Get the
it.
fucking van! Oh shit! The door's not coming back! Okay, thank God.
Get the van!
Nice job, Tim.
Move!
In the van!
Get the van! Let's go!
We've got candy!
Pull ass! Move! I feel like such a racist. Get the fucking van! I'm shooting people and yelling at them to get in the van. Get the fucking van! Move! Get in the van! Yo, get in the fucking van!
Is that our team?
Get the fucking van! Are you dead? Yes, he's dead. By you. Get in the
Okay,
van!
get in!
Go!
Get in the van!
Fucking van! Close the door! Close the door!
Woo!
Come on in! Get in the van! We got one more coming in.
One more.
Back up. I'm caught.
Close that door, bud. There
Oh
we go.
yeah! Our team!
Team Brennan! And his van. Wait, John, let's not pull the ceiling down on us, okay?
No, let's not do that. John, if you break the field.
Walk around. Oh, I'm hit.
Yeah, we got shot
Shit!
there.
Hey, John, come on over.
3 lipos and a bunch of 9.6s, and none of them will fit in this buffer tube.
That's a crane socket. You stick it on the side, don't you? You're supposed to put the batteries in here and here.
Yeah.
They don't fit?
It's a stick battery for my SIG. They're all my
Oh,
batteries.
they're really long.
They're fucking long as fuck. Oh, we finally got that clutch plug.
Oh shit.
Somebody get Marvin, and then we're good to go.
I'll get
Oh, it was that thing you shot me right in the pinky. Oh, it was you, wasn't it, Gold? Oh, no.
I'm gonna get so vexed.
Get down. No, he's on the other team. Get down. I think he must be the one that got us, man. Okay, go find the bunker. Oh shit! Ow! Ah! Bastards!